Ja.
Huh? Hello?
You need to be quiet.
The fuck? Was? Bin kein Monster, wer ist das? Bist du okay? Bist du
Are you
okay?
okay?
I'm okay. They tried to get me, but I'm hiding until my parents come home.
Intense. Wie heißt du? Wo sind deine Eltern? Wie alt bist du? Wie heißt
What's
du?
your name?
I'm Clementine. This is my house.
Hi, Clementine. I'm Lee.
Wo sind deine Eltern? Ja, in der Ferien, oder?
Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think, where the boats are.
Bist du in Sicherheit?
Are you safe?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See? Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
Oh shit! Wow, that's cool. Cool, Oh shit! Oh. Oh damn! Ich habe nicht mal etwas gesehen, ich habe einfach gut gemacht. Oh. Bitch! Bitch! Oh! Hey! Hey, da bin ich Schuhe, Mann! Das sind neue Nikes! Und bam! Scheiße, ich muss irgendwie killen. Mach auf! Aha, du hast schon auf. Oh! Stirb! Bitch! Didi! Mama! Ah! Ah! Und nochmal. Ah!
Man. Hi there.
Did you kill it?
Ja.
Yes.
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
I think so too. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
what should we do now?
Such Hilfe, was dunkel wird. Hau ab hier. Wenn die Sonne unter... Ja, gehen wir weg.
We
Das
need to get out of
Gescheitste.
this neighborhood. It's not safe. We're less likely to be seen if we move at night.
My parents might come home.
We won't go far. We'll try to find shelter and come back here with others.
That sounds good. We can hide in my treehouse until then.
It'll be a tough climb with this leg, but that's a good idea. Let's go. Stay close to me.
Oh, super. Ja, jetzt in der Nacht rumrennen, oder was?
Now let's stay quiet. We'll head out to the front yard and follow the road out of the neighborhood.
Okay.
It'll be okay. Stay near me, and we'll move as fast as we can.
Hey, stopp! Einer mal! Junge Dame, lasst nicht! Bup. Also, ich gehe da schneller. Hast du einen Besen gefunden? Ja, den brauchen wir nicht. Der Hammer ist weg, den ich als Waffe benutzt habe vorhin. Ganz leise gewesen.
I found the bastard!
Are we going to die?
Sicher nicht!
I'm sure we're fine.
Stay down! Georgia State Patrol!
Dude, he won't listen to that.
Okay!
Das hat der
Shit,
Typ.
you're not one of those things.
Na, Mann.
Bizarre.
Oh, damn, you've got a little girl. We're sorry about that. Well, Andre's sorry about that.
It's Officer Mitchell.
My name's Sean. Sean Green. This is Andre.
Officer Mitchell.
Did you see any of those things? One of them just got our buddy Chet.
Ja, Spar.
I saw a lot in the forest, but that was a while ago.
Yeah, one we're looking for is still in the neighborhood.
Oh shit, you hurt your leg pretty bad. Look, help us find the thing that got our buddy, and we'll take you and your daughter down to my dad's farm to safety. He should be able to fix your leg up too.
I'm not a dad. I'm
Babysitter nach bei irgendein Typ.
just some guy.
Some guy?
Yeah.
Ja, stimmt doch.
She's alone?
Whoever you are, let's get a move on.
We just were.
Oh shit, it's Chet!
Let's go!
Call up.
Get to my car! Go!
Ganz schlau, ganz schlau. Da hat eine Fahrerprüfung beim ersten Mal bestanden. Ganz geil. Ich komme Errungenschaft über wie nichts. Fürs Nichts machen, fürs Zuschauen. Nö.
Say hi to your dad for me.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, Sean. Chet was a good dude. One of the best. Take care of you two.
Tschüss. Officer Mitch.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I ran into Andre outside of Atlanta, and Chet, he got killed.
No. You're kidding.
Those things got him. Dad, I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry, Sean. You've brought a couple guests.
Zijn jongens alleen zijn we misnemen. Ah!
Your boy's a lifesaver.
Hoe erg snel
Be a
child.
help to somebody. So it's just you and your daughter then.
Oh, not his daughter. He's, well, just some guy who found her alone.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Yeah. It's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Ah.
Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Es tut aber weh, es ist nicht so schlimm.
It hurts like hell.
I bet it does. What did you say your name was?
Es macht Lee.
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green.
Herschel Green.
How'd this happen?
Ich bin hingefallen, Autounfall, übrigens ein Autounfall.
Accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
Heim, einfach raus aus Atlanta. Aus Atlanta.
Getting out of Atlanta.
The news says stay.
Yeah, well, that's a mistake. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
I
But
was
this,
with a police officer. He was giving me a ride.
Awful nice of him.
I'm an awful nice guy.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there, and we're done here. I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
I'm looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
What happened to your friend? Maybe that's not a bad idea.